In the previous video, we learnt how to set up a control chart. Once we are able to set up a control chart, our focus will shift towards some of the operational issues of using the control chart. We shall discuss this issue in some detail in this video. There are two questions that comes to our mind when it's all about using the control charts. First, is the process out of control? What are we supposed to do in that case? The second question is there a way we can detect an impending out of control situation much earlier? So let us analyze these two questions one by one. First, we shall take the case of the process going out of control. Detecting whether a process is out of control is fairly straightforward. After establishing the control limits, we need to plot the data in the chart. If we notice any outliers in the plot, the process is not in a state of statistical control. So what you see here is a sample C chart, and once the lower control limit and the upper control limits have been established, the process center is also established, the actual data have been plotted. What we notice is sample number 6 is an outlier. So clearly this indicates that perhaps the process is out of control. So what are all the steps we need to take? Step 1, remove the outlier and recompute the control limits, which means you need to revise the chart parameters now. Step 2, perform a detailed investigation to explore any assignable causes for the drift in the performance. Step 3, if there are no assignable causes, then resume the process with the revised control parameters, or if there are assignable causes, implement countermeasures and change the process in whatever way it is required and resume the process. So step 5 is to stabilize the process, re-establish the control limits and monitor the process and make sure that the process is in control. So these are the things that we need to do when we notice that the process could be potentially out of control because there is an outlier.